If weight plays a role in this thing, then you will win because... Hi everybody, I'm Andrea Petkovic and I already practiced today. It was a really tough practice session with my coach, but now I take him to another competition and we make a race on the Segways.
Just a little wobbly?
On your marks, get set, go!
He choked 1 meter before the line. That's the best feeling in the world. And the loser is, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, Peter Popovic.
Nice.